Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIUS Homeschool. I am Farhana Yasmin, Assistant Teacher of Morning Shift. Now I am going to take English Literature class for class 3. Our today's topic is unit rhyme reading down and word meaning and make sentence from this unit. Today is lecture 5 and homework number 5 will be given today. So dear students, please open your book and look at unit 9. Unit 9 is titled, I'm Not Scared Anymore. We'll read a story. The story is titled, I'm Not Scared Anymore. So look at the next page. Let's start reading. Amit was a smart boy. He was good at his schoolwork. He was good at sports too. But there was one thing about him that only his parents knew. Amit was afraid of the dark. So Amit was good at everything, but there was one thing about him that only his parents knew, no one else knew. The thing was, Amit was afraid of the dark. Amit couldn't really explain why he was afraid of the dark. No one else around him seemed to find it so scary. But to Amit, the inky blackness of the night was filled with frightening noises and mysterious shadowy shapes. One day at school, Amit's teacher made an announcement. We are all going on a camping trip for 2 whole days and nights. It's going to be a great adventure. All the boys were thrilled with the idea and their excitement bubbled over as they made their plans. So all the boys are very excited to go on camping. But all Amit could think of was how he was going to manage during the trip when night came. So everyone is very excited, but Amit is anxious and worried, because he is worried how he will cope up with the night time. On the day of the trip, father and mother came to see Amit off at school. He forgot all his worries for a while as he got into the bus with his friends. So in the bus, he forgot all his worries for some time. It was grand fun to be together as a group, singing and laughing. It was early evening when they finally reached their camping spot. It was a beautiful green valley covered with small tents. So they reached the camping spot in the evening and it was a very beautiful place and they had fun in the bus. Amit felt very scared as he saw the tents. There were tents for sleeping, and he felt scared when he saw them. He was sharing his tent with Vijay Singh, the toughest boy in his class. Toughest means the strongest and bravest. Amit was very happy to have Vijay with him. Go to the next page. See, look at the picture. Look at the picture here. The students, the boys are there, their parents are seeing them off. Okay, they got in the bus and then they reached the camping spot. Then you can see the tents. Okay, look here. But once he was in his sleeping bag with the darkness of the night all around him, Amit began to feel afraid. So when he entered the tent and got into the sleeping bag to sleep, he began to feel afraid. Suddenly he could hear noises everywhere and they were scary. He was starting to shake and he bit his lip hard as his teeth started chattering. So his teeth started chattering. It means His teeth knocked together and made short sounds. When you're cold or you're frightened, your teeth chatter. They come together and make sounds. Okay. Amit, Amit. Vijay's voice was low as he called out. So Vijay was calling him. It is so dark and I am so afraid. Can you hear that noise? I think there is someone outside our tent. His voice was now almost a whisper. So Vijay is afraid too. Vijay is very scared. Amit listened to his friend's words. He was too shocked to reply. As Vijay began to cry loudly, Amit sat up and put his arms around his friend. So Amit is very shocked to see Vijay so scared. He sat up and put his arms around Vijay. Hey, come on, he said. He was surprised at how strong his own voice sounded. So now that Vijay is crying, Amit is very strong and he is giving his friend consolation. There is nothing to be afraid of. Amit shone his torch through the opening of the tent. Look, it's just a harmless little owl, he pointed out. So Amit lit his torch and looked outside the tent. He said, it's just a harmless little owl. Look at the next page, everyone. Vijay smiled at Amit through his tears. Amit, he asked hesitantly, are you going to tell anyone else about this? So, hearing Amit, Vijay is now smiling, but he wants to know if Amit will tell others that he is scared and cried. Definitely not, said Amit truthfully. So Amit is not going to tell others about this. Oh, thank you, said Vijay. I can't bear anyone teasing me and laughing at me. Do you think that I am very foolish and a coward? Continued Vijay sadly. So now Vijay is worried that what if Amit thinks that he is a coward and he is a fool. No, I don't, said Amit. I used to know somebody just like you once, but it was a long time ago, said Amit with a little secret smile in the dark. So Amit is talking about himself, that he used to know somebody so scared once, because he himself was scared before. An adaptation of the story Who is Afraid of the Dark by Santini Govindan, taken from the book Kaleidoscope, 34 short stories published by Children's Book Trust, New Delhi. So this story is taken from a book. The book is titled Who is Afraid of the Dark and it is written by Santini Govindan. Okay, dear students, now we will read word meaning and make sentence from this story. The make sentence from this chapter will be your homework and we will read all of this now. Word meanings first. Number A, toughest. Toughest means strongest and bravest. Number B, harmless. Gentle and friendly. Harmless means gentle and friendly. Number C, coward. Coward means somebody who is not brave. Then make sentence. Number A, scary. The dark forest seemed scary. Number B, reply. Amit was too shocked to reply. Number C, loudly. The boy began to cry loudly. Now please notice here, dear students, you have to start word meaning with small letter and you shouldn't give any full stop after it. Always start word meaning with small letter and don't give any punctuation marks like full stops at the end of a word meaning. And in make sentence, please start the sentence with capital letter and end the sentence with a full stop. Don't miss punctuation mark and capitalization in making sentence. but in word meanings you shouldn't do it. And you can also make your own sentences when making sentences. These are given as examples for you, but if you want you can write other sentences that are grammatically correct. Your next homework, that is homework number 5, it will be the make sentence from unit 9 that we did now. The words scary, reply and loudly. Make sentence with these 3 words. This is your next homework. So dear students, please submit the homework on due time on next Saturday. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.